Affiliate marketing is so easy in theory that it's become one of the hardest ways to make money online. Why? Competition. Thanks to the belief that affiliate marketing makes money fall from the sky, hundreds of new marketers jump in every day, making it harder than ever to bank consistent commissions. Hey, this is Glenn Koski, dedicated affiliate marketer for over 7 years and a member of the ClickBank Platinum Club. I won't sugarcoat it, things were a lot easier just a few years ago. Back then, I could send 1 or 2 simple emails to an offer and make hundreds or even thousands of dollars per promo. Now there's a lot more work involved. You need to make videos, write detailed product reviews, offer stacks of relevant bonuses, study the market to see what's working, then wrap it all up into a slick review site, drive traffic, and do this for every single promo if you want to bank serious commissions in an industry jam-packed with competition. Most new or struggling affiliate marketers don't have the time or budget to do what it takes, so they settle for puny commissions while top affiliates rake in 95% of the cash. That's why I chose to level the playing field to give everyone the ability to bank life-changing affiliate commissions without the costs, hard work, or hassles. Introducing 10x Profit Sites. 10x Profit Sites is your one-stop solution for banking big-time commissions, and all it takes is 3 super simple steps to start seeing real results online. Step 1, purchase 10x Profit Sites. Quickly grab a copy before the price increases. Please note the price is increasing every 60 minutes, so please be quick. Step 2, log into the cloud-based app. Log in, configure some very basic settings, and enter your affiliate links. Step 3, get free buyer traffic, leads, and sales. Hit the Get Traffic button to enjoy free buyer traffic and instant success with your brand new site in as little as 60 seconds or less. Yes, it really is that easy. Even if you're brand new, have no list, or don't have the time it takes to run a full-time business, because everything from A to Z is literally done for you. Yes, that's a huge claim, but below this message, you'll see proof from dozens of users thrilled with their results. 10x Profit Sites automates your affiliate marketing for you. You get a turnkey website that's packed with over 15 evergreen top converting offers from the world's biggest and most successful affiliate network, ClickBank, where you get to keep 100% of the commissions from every sale. As a ClickBank Platinum vendor and super affiliate, I know what sells, so I have personally selected each offer from the ClickBank marketplace to maximize your conversions. For each product, you get a professionally written review, including overall ratings, pros and cons, and related offers, a demo of the product in action, stunning graphics, and customized call to actions, all bundled into your very own authority ClickBank review site with all the bells and whistles, including 100% free hosting for your site on our premium servers. You even get the ability to add banner ads and Google AdSense to your sites for extra revenue. Each hand-selected product is optimized to sell and put commissions in your back pocket. You won't have to write a single word of content, create videos, or even worry about traffic. It's all done for you. This is your chance to become a ClickBank super affiliate by leveraging all of our hard work. 10x Profit Sites also includes a massive vault of over 100 premium bonuses, so you can use as incentives for any offer as often as you like. So you can customize each offer with your own hand-selected bonuses to skyrocket conversions. Your custom site promotes products from ClickBank, the world's biggest affiliate network, which has enabled us to crush it, generating huge commissions every single day. Powerful one-click social sharing and included SEO drives you 100% free traffic to your review site, so you can forget about paid ads. 10x Profit Sites is truly 3 steps simple. Step 1, purchase 10x Profit Sites. Quickly grab a copy before the price increases. Please note the price is increasing every 60 minutes, so please be quick. Step 2, log into the cloud-based app. Log in, configure some very basic settings, and enter your affiliate links. Step 3, get free buyer traffic, leads, and sales. Hit the Get Traffic button to enjoy free buyer traffic and instant success with your brand new site in as little as 60 seconds or less. Finally, you can bank like a super affiliate without any of the work or the daily costs. 10x Profit Sites is all yours for an incredibly low one-time price during this exclusive launch. That means no ongoing payments, hosting included to save you thousands per year, a massive vault of premium giveaways to skyrocket your conversions, plus multiple high-valued bonuses to take your results to the next level when you act right now. Below this message, you'll see complete details and results from real users of this world-class automated system. Now, at this point, you're probably thinking that this unique commission-generating app is going to cost you an absolute fortune. And yes, under normal circumstances, you'd be 100% right to think that, considering most software tools and resources that do similar tasks not only start at $297, but typically charge at least $197 per month to run. But today, you won't be paying $197 per month. You won't even be paying $97 a month. No, not even $97 per month. As we want as many people to succeed with this software, we've decided to remove the monthly fee completely. When you act during the limited launch period, you won't be paying monthly at all. In fact, we're going to give you an amazing deal. When you act right now, you can get in for a one-time price without any monthly fees. You can literally get in for less than the price of a couple of fancy coffees at Starbucks. And it gets even better. When you act right now, you'll also get more than 70 plus brand new money making bonuses worth thousands absolutely free. You can see all the juicy details below, but please note these bonuses are not your typical PLR bonuses like you're used to seeing. Each one of these premium bonuses can easily be sold for at least $100 each, but you're going to get them absolutely free. And to make this a complete no-brainer, we're totally removing all of the risk with our unheard of, no questions asked, 180-day money-back guarantee. Yep, that's right, you're getting 180 days to try this out. If it doesn't work out for you, contact our support desk and we'll get you a prompt refund. Wait, there's even more. If you can prove you followed the 3 super simple newbie steps and still haven't made a dime with this software, we'll PayPal you $75 in compensation for wasting your time. This is an absolute no-brainer. That's how confident we are you'll see success with your brand new profit site. The only way you can lose is if you don't take action on this incredible deal right now. Log in, get your site set up and see success, or you walk off with $75 to spend on anything you want. So hurry and take action right now, because the price of 10x profit sites is increasing every 60 minutes. If you come back later, you will pay more, and we don't want you to miss out. If you want to make a real change in your life with our brand new 100% done for you cloud-based app, click the buy now button below right now to lock in your discount and get instant access to 10x profit sites at a mind-blowing one-time price. Check below free for more details about this incredible brand new cloud-based app, then hurry to lock in your access at this incredible discount. I'll see you on the inside.
This is 10x Profit Sites, where you can create an affiliate site ready-made for you, ready to go, ready to earn commissions. And you'll see here, you can click on the button here. This is going to open up your site. Eventually, it's going to look something like this, with loads of different reviews with images, videos, text, buttons, all the good stuff that we like. Lots of customization with colors and information with opt-ins and recommendations that we can put on your site. And we'll be showing you exactly how to set it up. It takes just a few minutes to set the whole thing up. You've got all the items here on the left hand side in the menu. Now, if you have any problems, the first thing to do is click on this tutorials button here on the left hand side, and you will be redirected to this page where you're going to see 3 really important videos, and it's going to show you how to set up your site super quickly. So make sure that you watch those videos in their entirety. They're not that long. The first 2 are only a minute or so, and the second one's about 10 minutes. So it shouldn't take you very long to watch those videos in full and know exactly what you need to do. However, if you do have any other problems, just scroll through the menu. There's lots of things here in terms of upgrades and further information and help. So if you need any further help once you've watched the videos, jump down to help section here, and then you'll be able to find that further additional help. Thanks very much. Welcome to 10x. In this video, we're talking about the autoresponder. This is going to enable you to build a list on your site. So you can see from the example, we've got this opt-in box, which you can modify for any of your purposes here. And we're just going to show you in this video how to connect it, because the opt-in boxes that are on all of the pages, you will connect in site settings. Okay, so let's just go down to autoresponders. And when you go to this page, you're going to see that they have all of the different APIs, and you're going to look at these, and all of them have different requirements. They need different things like APIs and account URL, all these different things. So you're going to click on the one that you go with. Just say it's Aweber, and you're going to see click the connect button, which is going to be here. And that's going to open up a new tab. You're going to want to sign into your account, and it's going to ask you to allow And then you're basically going to get the code to paste in here, and you're going to click the big save button there, and then you're going to close it, and you're going to be good to go for when you set up your campaigns. So it is as simple as that. Hey guys, welcome back to 10x. We're talking about the affiliate links. Really, really important, because if the buttons are clicked, we want to make sure that you get the affiliate link, and we want to make sure that the visitor can actually go and buy the product. So here on the left hand side, you've got affiliate links. This is going to bring up all of the products on the site, and you're going to see here we've got affiliate link here, and these boxes are empty. It means there's no affiliate link. The buttons are not going anywhere. So what we need to do is we need to put in an affiliate link there. So for all of these products, you're going to have to go and get your affiliate link, and you're going to do it by going across to ClickBank, and you're going to go in here and you're going to look to find the product, whether it's perpetual income, whatever, and you're going to click on the promote. You're going to generate the hop link, and you're going to get your hop link, and then you're going to be able to jump back in here and just say it was for this one. You're going to paste it in there, and then you're just going to click update link, and it's going to come up and it's saved. You're going to click OK. You're going to do that for all of them, and that basically means that your link is saved, and on your actual site, when people go to the reviews, we've got the buttons. They're going to go across to your affiliate link. So that's really, really important. You can see on this page, whilst we're here, we've got the bonus page URL. So these are the URLs that you can provide to people who do purchase through your link, and that's where they're going to be able to download those bonus products that you are providing to them. So we'll see you in the next video. Hi guys, welcome to 10x Profit Sites. In this video, we're going to show you how to set up your sites. Pretty simple and pretty quickly. So once you're in the platform, you're going to see that you've got this orange button here at the top, and it's going to take you to your site. So this is your site as created when you start, and you'll see it's very blank. It's missing a lot of the information here. There's missing images and such like, and that's because it's lacking the customization. We've done that specifically because we want everyone to have their own footprint on their site. You'll see we've got popular reviews here on the bottom of the page, but essentially the reviews come done, with the exception obviously of the personalized information, but the rest of the pages, they've got the information, they've got everything there ready to go. So we just need to be able to customize the site so it looks a little bit more like what we've got here, ads, images, logos, additional text, the opt-ins, recommendations, so on and so forth. So let's jump into the dashboard and start doing that. So the first thing that we want to do is that we want to just scroll down to my profile. So in my profile, we only want to do one thing, and that is upload the avatar. And the avatar is the image here. Now this can be anything you want. It can literally be a logo, an icon, a graphic, photograph, whatever. Okay, so let's just upload a picture. And see where we are. I think this is the right one. So once you've uploaded it, all you need to do is scroll down and click update profile. If it's okay, it will show it there. Then we can go to our site just very quickly. Boom, we've got the image there. So once we've done that, now we can go to site settings. So there's a lot of things on here, because as you can appreciate from the example, there's bits and pieces here. Okay, and the settings are all about the home page. So you've got the ability to put in a site title. So this will be in the URL metadata. So we're just going to put in here, and I'm just going to put in Mr. Example's review site. Then you've got two about me parts here, one here and one here, and they go on the site here and then right at the bottom as well. Okay, so for the purposes of being as quick as possible, I'm just going to copy the same text in both. But you know, if you want different pieces of text there, it's your site. You need to decide what you think's best there, to go there, to talk about you, talk about your story, what you're trying to portray. Okay, so you're going to put that there. Then you've got to put in the job title. So you can talk about, you can put there whether you want to be an affiliate marketer, you know, internet marketer. You might just want to put in your location, for example. So you might want to put in, you know, Keith Smith from New York City, you know, or coming at you from New York City, whatever. You know, it gives you that flexibility, okay? So I'm just going to put in product reviewer. We've then got bonus redemption email. So this is really important because on the actual reviews, this is where people will contact you to get their bonuses that you're giving them. So we spoke about that on the affiliate links. So you've got the bonuses are all pre-created. You just have to deliver them. And because, you know, ClickBank doesn't have an automatic system, so they'll be able to contact you and you'll be able to provide them with the details. And it gives you that more, you know, that closeness to interact with people anyway. So you're going to put an email there. Then you've got site disclaimer and slight disclaimer. So the best thing here is to talk about the fact that you are going to get an affiliate commission. Okay, so you can see I've just, you know, there's products, you know, and someone's going to get a commission if a sale is made. Okay, so put something in there just to make it clear that, you know, affiliate commission is going to be made. Okay, but I always like to say that, you know, there's no additional cost if you decide to make the sale, because there isn't. It just means that someone is going to get a kickback for recommending it. Okay, so now you've got a site headline. This goes here. Okay, so I mean, I'm just copy it there. So this is just literally can be anything, you know, your tagline where you're saying, you know, this is what I'm all about. Okay, so now we've added this mission statement here. So you've got a headline and a explanation. So again, you can further expand upon the site, what you want to do, talk about other products, talk about your recommended products, so and so forth. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this information in here. Okay, but it just gives you that ability to, you know, talk more about you, talk more about the site, you know, talk more about what it's all about. Okay, so then here you've got site favicon. The site favicon is basically, you know, a really small icon up in the browser. It's not the most important thing. I generally don't bother with it, but we've got it there, and if you want to put it there, you need to find a really tiny favicon logo. Okay, then we've got the site logo. Okay, so you can see here I've just got Mr. Example, and I mean, I just created this logo really quickly using logomaker.com. So it's logomaker.com. You know, and basically, you know, this is so simple. I mean, you just go up to the top here, search for some little icons, click on them, they go on the page, you know, just hover over, make it there, add some text, you know, move it about, you know, it's very, very easy, you know, and you can change the colors here. If that's what you want, you know, you delete that stuff, and then you just go up to the top here and click save. And I just clicked on low resolution. It's more than sufficient. And then what we do is we go to site logo, and we then try and find what we've got. So that's that. Okay, so I'm just going to click, at the top, I'm going to click save, just so I've got all that saved. And you're going to see that my logo is in there. Now we've got two elements here. The first one is the recommendation. Okay, so let's just remind you, we've got these two boxes, recommendation and the opt-in. So the recommendation, this is just to recommend us one product. Gives you the opportunity to just go out there and say, you know, this is my recommendation. So it can be one of these products here. It can be something else. Really, it's completely up to you. So I'm just going to copy this. And you can see we've got a title, so it doesn't have to be a recommendation. Again, it is a block that we've set there with a button. Okay, that's the cool thing. So you can drive people to your YouTube channel, to your social media, something else, okay? Just gives you the opportunity to drive people specifically to something, okay? So let's get the text that I've created there, and we'll paste that in there. Then we've got the recommendation button text. Just say we want to find out more, we can put something else. And then we would put in an affiliate link. So just say, what did I, here I had this affiliate link. So we'll put that in there. And if you wanted to copy this, feel free, put the link to this underneath. Then you've got some theme settings. So this is going to change slightly what it looks like. So you're going to see here, this was orange, and you can see that the one that I've been showing you is, cool cyan. So the color theme here, default is orange. So I'm just going to go cyan just to keep going. And then we've got the fonts. Now for me, I prefer Rubik. I really like the font Rubik. It works well. So we're gonna keep like that. Let's just click save again. And that'll save all that there. And we've got some social links that we can put in here. But we've got the opt-in. This is the important thing that we spoke about here on the right-hand side. So it gives us an opportunity. So here you could give something away. You can create a lead magnet, any reason to get people to opt into your list, because then you can market to them, provide them with further information, okay? So you can see here, I've just decided for the purposes of this example, I've said, join my mailing list. You'll receive the latest marketing tips and tricks, okay? So let's just copy that, go in there, and that's the, we'll go in there. And there you go. So you got those. And then we spoke about it in one of the accompanying videos about the autoresponder. Once you're done there, you can go in here and you can choose the API to the autoresponder you got. Just say whether then you can choose your lists here, or you can go to the raw HTML code and paste in a code. Okay. So it all depends on what you've got. So once you've got that set up like that, we're basically there. We're going to click Save Changes. And then we're going to refresh our actual site. And you can see it looks completely different. We've made it look super cool now. We've got the logo, we've got the headline, we've got the images, we've got the stuff about me, we've got the information here. We've got the opt-in, we've got the recommendation. What I have noticed, I did not upload an image, did I? I missed that one out. So let's just go back and you'll see best recommendation image. So we'll click here and we'll find that image that I had before, the thumbs up. And we will then go back and we'll click Save Changes. Then we'll refresh it and it should put in our image there. So we can put an image, it can be a product shot, it can be a photo, whatever it is that you want to go in there. Little small, make sure it's a small image because it's meant to be a small icon, okay? And then you can see here that the page is done. We should be able to go into one of our reviews and see that it's also, it's put in this information, our image and who we are. Let's put in the opt-in here for the left-hand side. So we're almost good to go. The only one thing we have left to do to make it complete is that we do not have the ads. We do not have the ads. So we've got the opportunity, you'll see from my example, is to put in an ad. And this can be for anything. This can literally be for anything. And the way that we do this is to go to Site Ads here on the left-hand side. And you can see here, we've got the ad and we've got the ability to put in some Google AdSense if we have a Google Ad account, and we would just paste in the code here. Or we would put in banner and we would put in a link and we would put in an image, okay? So you've got two options. You can go to an affiliate product and you can get an image and put in your own affiliate link, or you can create your own. You can go over to Canva. If you go to Canva, it's a free image tool. Really cool. And you just type in leaderboard ad and you'll get all of these examples here. Choose a template. These ones are free. I think all of these ones are free. And once you've chosen, the one you want, you can just go in and change the text, put in a different image, change the colors, and then just download it. And then you would go to go here and you would upload the image. Or as I say, you'd go and you just find another product. So I'm just going to click here on this product and I'd go and get that affiliate link. And I'd paste that in there as well. And then I'll just scroll down and I would click save changes, sorry. And then we can refresh our page and you can see here that we've now got the ads there. So that's really super cool. We can go to home and hopefully it will display the ad there as well. So you can see there, we've got the ad there. That's really cool. And that's basically it. We've created that in just a few moments of setting this up. Obviously I've been talking quite a bit because I've been showing you all of the sections. So that is that, and we'll see you in the next video. This is 10x and we're talking about adding your own products. So if you want to add more products, different products to your site, couldn't be easier. So what you'll do is you'll go down to products here in the menu. Now you do have the opportunity to add different categories for the products, and this is where you would click in here. By default we've just got reviews, but you can add different categories if you wanted to, but you click on products here and you're going to have all the products that are imported into your site. And you do have the ability to essentially go in and make them your own if you would like to. So you can click on edit and you can change some of them if you want, add further text, images, all that sort of stuff. But you do also have the ability to add your own. So if we click on add new product, I'm just going to talk you through what you've got here. So you're going to have the ability here to put in a name. So this is for your own purpose. When you're looking through that list of products, it will display a name, and that's what you want here. Then you can see that we've got the tabs product details, review, ratings, what I liked, and the bonus selection here. So the first thing you want to do is you're going to be able to upload your own image. So you can get a logo, you can create something, whether it's a combination of finding a product logo and putting it on a rectangle on Canva graphics tool and then uploading it. Just looking at the site here, the way that we've done it is just plain rectangle with the logo, and it's pretty simple to do. As I said, you could just go to Canva and create a rectangle and put in the logo once you've got it from the product page. Here you would choose the category. I just mentioned that just a moment ago, didn't I? And you've got the ability to choose. As I say, we've just got one category here, but you could create further categories. We then got the ability here to change the text on the buttons and add the link, and you'll see that we've got the information, the button here, okay? Then you've got the excerpt and summary. Essentially, these are the same thing, but they're going to go on to the site here. So it's just a little bit of information that goes onto the page. You put it there and it'll be displayed there. So once you've done that, you're going to go across to the review. This is where you're going to put the body of the review. So you've got the review title and the strap lines. If we look at the page, here is the title and here is the strap line. So that's what you would change there. Then you've got the introduction text. And of course, it's going to go further down in here. So this will just go here before the review. So you can type in a few sentences. And then you've got the product review. Again, that goes down and that is the text that is going to go here. Okay, it's pretty simple. And then we've got the conclusion, and it's in the conclusion box at the bottom there. We then got the ability to put in optional videos and images. So if we look at the page, they both go into the main body of the review. And so you can see here, we've put in a video here. Now, if you were to put in an image, it would go in between the title and the main text, okay? So once you've done that, you've got the ability to go over and give a ranking. So you can see we've got quality, we've got value, we've got features, and we've got support. And we can go across here and we can choose what we think is suitable, okay? You know, so we can just go ahead and choose what it is. And we've got ability to put in a statement, tagline for each of these. So we look at the review page, you'll see them here. Quality, value, features, and support, okay? So once they're in, we go across to what I liked, and they are the what I liked features here. So we would copy them in there. We type in number of them, and we just, once we've chosen them by saying, you know, looks great, for example, we just click plus, and then that is added, and we can add some more and more and more. And then we've got the bonuses. These are bonuses that will be displayed at the foot of the page here. And you would just go through and you'd search through the hundreds that we've got there and just tick the ones that you want to provide. And then once you're happy with your review, you just click the big submit button here and it will add it to the site. It really is as simple as that. Hey guys, welcome back to 10x Profit Sites. In this video, we're going to be talking about the funnel tools that we've got. Now you can find that here on the left hand side. And what you're going to find is that we've got 4 sections. And they're all relatively straightforward, but we'll talk about them here. We've got Facebook tools, which is a Facebook pixel and a chat widget. We've got the exit pops, and we've got social proof pop-ups, and we've got a top bar. So in terms of the Facebook tools, the pixel, this is for retargeting. So it's really good to have this on any site, whether you're thinking about doing Facebook advertising or not, because, you know, in 6 months time, you may decide to do it. And essentially what you're doing with the pixel is that you're creating essentially a list of Facebook users who have visited your site, okay? And then there is the ability then to create adverts and target those specific users and people that fit the description of, you know, similar people, okay? So it's really clever how it works. It's always good to set this up. So essentially you're going to click here, it's going to take you across to Facebook. You need to have an ads account, which is just free. It's just part of the Facebook, and you'll go through and you'll get a code and you'll paste it in here. Okay, you'll click save. Simple as that. The second is chat widget, and this is basically just a little section like this, a little box in the Facebook design, and you'll put it on pages, and people will be able to leave comments through their Facebook. So we'll have their Facebook image, their name, and it has that kind of Facebook style. So that's really good. You just go to this website. There's no logging in or anything. You just go there and you get a code and you paste it in there. So the next is the exit pop-ups, and this is all about the intention to leave the site. So if you've got your mouse here and you're like, oh, I'm going to try and leave this, and when you hit it, it's going to throw a pop-up to try and re-engage that user. And it can be very, very successful. So you can obviously create pop-ups to direct people to other pages in your website, or to directly to offers and products, or to your YouTube channel, or whatever. All these different things that you could, you know, maintain a user with you rather than leaving them for good. Okay. And essentially, you know, we just click on it, click on a create exit pop here, and you come up with a name for it, because obviously you can create more than one. And then you've got the ability to put in a heading, choose fonts, choose the size, the color. You've got the ability to throw in an image, put in some body text again. So you go through all the different colors, and it will display here. So, you know, if I put in, you know, so you can see here, when I put these things in, they're going to move across. And we're going to be able to watch them, okay? And then once the main thing is here, you want the button link, so you want to be able to put the your link of where you want it, whether it's on the page on your site, YouTube channel, social media, an offer, etc., etc. Okay. So once you're done, you click save. Okay, so that's relatively straightforward. The next thing is the social proof pop-ups. These will pop up here on the left-hand side of any site that it's applied to. And these are the ones you see a lot of times on pages that are selling things or getting opt-ins, and it will say something like, you know, Mike from Kansas has just signed up to 10x Profit Sites, for example. And people use these for different purposes. Mike, from Washington just bought, a new phone or whatever. And the idea is to get people, to be more comfortable with the site, to see that other people are joining, and then it makes them more happy to do the same. And so you can create as many of these as you like, and they'll just be listed here, and then you better utilize them on your pages. So you just choose an image here, you choose a title, and then you put in some more information, the link that you want them to go to, and then the time and the difference between showing a subsequent one. So what I always like to do is in the title put in a name from somewhere, and then what have they done. So as I said, Mike from Kansas has just signed up, or took the plunge, or got really excited. Come up with something engaging there that people are going to see and click. You can use an image of a product or an image of a face, link, and then create a number of these. And then, because when you apply them to your site, they can be shown at regular intervals, to show that people are doing certain things. So, on a review site, it can work very, very well, because you can say, people are, buying one product, and then if 30 seconds later, someone else has bought a different product, and you can link them to the different pages on your site. Okay, so that's that. And then the last one is the top bar. So this is essentially a bar that goes right across the top of your site. Right across the site, and it will have a button and some text. Okay, and this will just be sticky at the top, so it can be used for some form of call to action. So you can see we can put in a title, we can put in a content, choose the color and the button. Okay, so it's just another bite of the cherry to engage people, to give them a certain call to action to do something specific, and it can be incredibly powerful. Okay, so once you've done that, you click submit. Okay, so some of them will work directly, some of them work when applied to specific pages, for example. So you'll go to the products, for example, and you'll click on edit, and you'll see that you've got this tab here, and you've got the ability to select an exit pop if you've created one, the ability to select which of the social proof pop-ups you want here, the ability to engage the Facebook pixel and the chat widget, for example. So you've got these things to add, and as I say, it works very, very simple. Thanks very much for watching this video.